Hi guys, Chuck_2796 here, and we are finally coming to the fourth and the final video, or final unboxing video of today. So again, it's just in DHL packaging, and again this is another tech item. So we're going to get straight through the DHL packaging, straight into the thing that's inside here. So again, I think I ordered this on Saturday. I think this was ordered Saturday. So let's just get rid of the paperwork. Don't need paperwork. So I don't need the paperwork. So this is what we've ordered. We have ordered the Note 20 Ultra 5G. So this is a Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. So we might not be keeping this yet, guys. We're going to have a go and see how we get on with it, because I am an iOS user. So I've got the iPhone 11 Pro. I'm not really enjoying it. It's freezing on me a lot of the time. So we're going to see what happens and see how we can get on with this. So we've gone, as you can see, we've gone for the Mystic Bronze again, which is the same colour we've got the Tab 7 Plus in. And it's a 256GB one. So this says Note, or M for Note 20, Note 20 Ultra 5G, colour with an S Pen. I don't know if you can really see this, but it just says Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. Got some just a little bit of rubbish there, don't really need to understand, and nothing on there and nothing on the back. So let's crack in to this phone. So first thing we see is the phone. So the phone is front and centre. There is something here. There is, so I'm just going to try and get that out. So let's look at so we've got an ejector pin. What else we get here? Just some manuals and stuff. We're not getting warranty cards. We're not going to worry too much about that. So we're going to put the phone to one side, and let's see what else we get. So we get a Samsung little tab thing here. So you get a super fast charge. Oops, I'm dropping things an awful lot today. So a super fast charger, which is USB-C to USB-C. Obviously it'll pop out like that, plug it in. This is a free pin because we're here in the United Kingdom. No idea how that went. What? I swear that went in there. Going like that? Going like that? Oh. I can't remember how that went. I actually cannot remember the life how that went in. But yeah, so we've got that. We've also got USB-C to USB-C to USB, so C to C, and it's X length. We've also, and I guess the sound's by AKG again, so the same ones that did. So you don't actually get Samsung headphones anymore, you get AKG headphones. So they're braided, Jesus Christ, and it's a USB-C. They are braided, it's a braided chicken keyboard, what? So obviously I won't be using these, but just in case you did, it would be, tell you which one's which. Right, so yeah, they would go with, wow, they're actually quite comfy headphones, to be fair. Wow, they are really comfy. So that's the headphones you get. You get some more headphone tips, some in-ear spongy things. So let's move on to the phone. So this is the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. So you get, obviously the phone, it's a nice big phone. So this is 6.9 inch, so side by side, it's not much bigger than the iPhone 11, but it's a little bit bigger. You just have the hole punch at the top, you have the pen here, just push it in, pop it out, and little pen, just like what you get with the S Pen, just like what you get with tablets, so push that back in. Yeah, it's not like you get your cameras here. Cameras are meant to be loads better than the iPhone, so we're going to take some photos and upload them to the Facebook on the comparison of them. Go and see how we get on with this, because obviously this is Android. I'm not very used to Android. So you get the SIM card ejector there. No idea what that's for. Microphone at the bottom here, USB-C, one speaker. So let's turn it on and see what happens. Samsung Galaxy Note Ultra 5G powered by Android, secured by Knox. So I'm really liking this, to be fair. Samsung. It's also got the screens around, so it's not an Android, it's curled up around the screen. So let's go. Okay. Insert SIM card to access network. So where are we? We are English, United Kingdom. I have read and agreed to all above. Turn off Wi-Fi. Right, so again, we're back in. Actually, let me just, before we go get that, let me just quickly turn this personal hotspot on. Turn on Wi-Fi and use this phone, just so then we can quickly get through. So that's next. So service provider setup. Restart, so it's got to restart the phone again. The screen is so much better compared to the iPhone. We're also going to do a comparison which one so one of these is going to be going, but which one? We don't know yet. I don't know yet. I don't know if it's going to be the iPhone or the Samsung, we'll see what happens. So Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G, I don't know which one's going. Samsung. So also going to spend the day with both of, like, obviously I know how I'll get on with this. So spend the day with Samsung, see how it goes. So start in Android. So don't copy. Just a sec. So this has got a 4,500 mAh battery. I'm not too sure what the iPhone's got. Let's figure out what the iPhone 11's got, or is it just checking info? iPhone 11 Pro Max spec. So, no, not size. Specs. So let's skip that sign in. Skip the Google sign in. So this runs. So they're both 256 gig phones. So accept. Why the hell has that just disappeared? So we've got Apple's own website. So the iPhone 11 Pro, the display is 6.5 inch on the iPhone, 6.9 on the Galaxy. HDR, this is 4K can record up to 8K, this can't. Chip is an i13, I think this is the newest Snapdragon in here. Triple 12 MP ultra wide camera, this is 108. Video records 4K, 8K. Face ID. So this has just got Face ID, password, code. This has Face ID, fingerprint, pattern, pin, password. Obviously you have all the other stuff, video playback, Siri, external buttons, power up. Doesn't tell me what milliamps in this. So let's have a quick look. iPhone 11 Pro Max. Battery So 3,969 milliamp battery. This has got a 4,500 one. So let's just go to Google. So we're just going through it all now. We're going to skip that. Skip anyway. We can set it all up later. So this is just an unboxing. Please wait. Next. Oh no. Don't want any of them. So skip, don't know something, skip, we'll sort Samsung out in a bin. So finish. So this is the Samsung Galaxy. So we are on O2, so we're going to get the O2 priority and stuff, so we can just monitor everything. So welcome to the Samsung Daily, the latest news and entertainment just one swipe away. So basically that's like daily news. Welcome to start, show everything that we want to show. So this is basically like daily news on iPhone. So go, like obviously it is such a nice layout so far. You can search, contacts, I haven't got any contacts, but it's nice. Let's notification, ringtone, media, system. So let's go. Let's see if we've got, oh, no phones. So that's quite loud. Let's go see how loud and how good the video is. So let's just go truck 12796. Let's just play. Hi guys, truck _ 2796 here. So we've got this box here. So this is one of two unboxing videos we're doing today. So this isn't anything that's been released newly. This is just something that I've been trying to get hold of and I finally found it again. So, oh my god. Oh, so yeah. Okay, so it just says that they can go zoom in. As you see, quite a big box. So what quality we in? Find out. Quality. It's virtually like the whole forearm. So this video is port 720. So it's quite loud, quite a good picture. So yeah, that's it really guys, not really much to say. So we're going to be comparing these two, both flagship models. This has only got 4G, this is up to 5G, don't have 5G in my area. So we can compare them both on how quick they are. So we will do like a proper comparison once we've got used to the phone. So that's everything you get. So obviously you get your fast charger, your phone. This is a 256 model, do a 128 and a 512 model. But we've gone 256. And that's it really guys. So you don't really get much more than what you would expect to get. It's obviously the phone. That's not going to stand up right, so let's just do that. So you get the phone, so your headphones, charging cable, charger, pin, and so this phone retails for about just shy of £1,200. So it's £1,200 just over in the UK. I'm not too sure what it retails at worldwide, like in America or India or anything like that, but I'm sure you can find them out with just a quick search. So let me know if you think this phone is worth it. This rose gold is really growing on me. We're going to get used to it all, try and see how this pen works, do a review. We'll do a review, probably use it all today, and probably do a review tomorrow. So thank you so much for watching guys. Let me know what you reckon to this phone in the comments down below if you think you'd get it, if you think it's a little bit overpriced, if it's a bit too big for your liking, if it's not big enough. But we'll see, we'll have a look and see what one you prefer, whether you prefer the iPhone 11 or this Samsung. So thank you so much for watching guys. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please hit that subscribe button, become a trucker yourself and subscribe to me. Also hit that like button, show your channel a bit of support and love. And hit that bell notification so you never miss an upload. And there's not really much else to say right now, but that's it really. And also hit that dislike button guys, and leave a comment down below what you didn't like about the video, what you liked about it, what you reckon to all of this stuff. So thank you so much for watching guys. This is Chuck here. Hope you all have a wonderful day, and goodbye for now.